megalayapost.news
Kasamla ayin sarama kring ke khun samla na krishnong mautunum klayo banra ke cek kabar pesan hajar tingkarun kat kasernot bat ke trofi hadian bakalalong kum keladu hakrun san ye ko penisam kari boy supposter season 3 kabadai ke sengi khun ke bakhadu lani ke grand final kabalalong hnian ke janmit haporish hall nungpo kari boy supposter kadai karun san ban island iki khun samla ka themri boy ban peni ka sap ka phong jongki ha ka kamshat ka kamroi bat ki wei bala panwandur da ka kenhun bala tip kum ka assembly kabalalong trado ba lenses iam baru bolong ru kum CEO jong ka production kani ka kenhun jong ba lenses iam le da ka jing trang bajik ang nut ban kan tiu ki riu dan sab jong kadong berkatan riboy klala ban penlong hadu laisien ni kani jing ko plan ni riboy supposter ha ka bagasin balai kala kunno nen ka singi da jing sam ye ki khusnam shabaro kinong jom haba phai sa te kerun san ye ko kni ladu kila dan hadu khalaingut kan thup ye ka kenhun bat shiman ki balayo ban rung sha ka final barbaro kilong shisha ki badani ka sam ka bakarpang nadu kinong ruai kinong shat parki bapen mi ye ki sorjing tem na rendang lane ka beatbox na pedang kiti ki samlang ki badan shisha ka sam lami pat ka samla ain sara makri harkat urendang bos yang ban ruai ka jing ruai ka basung tenat bat ka bala penlong sendani kinong bishar ban penpong pan sengat ya kati ka samla kum kanong job jong kari bhai superstar season 3 pat ka bala yora sendani ka song pisa ka bar pesan hajar tengka Hakati ke singkat du jong kari boy superstar season 3 lani ke grand final lawan men sakhi lang do deputy commissioner kari boy Abhilash Barnwal Ujayanta Mudoy branch manager ke HDFC Bank nongpo ubalansius imli CEO LS imli production lembat kiwei ki balawan ban ajeng kershan ya kati ke program
ba kajingwan simenta joki ndai taminga ai kapasunan iwi dan ibahi joki bagi kerban ba kisi penangwan kikuat penangwan bidanglah ban peteng yang kesap katadan kejopi kejengwa kejongan long ini program pemdai nak kita cuma syikat dari nak kita kejopi iwe nama apa hasil dibandingkan alih ini program ada melakukan ban ini syibur di sana besar ketai sedang ini ba kita poi syibui ban benda ban kim sakut tak hanya poi dan berapoi siapa koi dari hasil saja dan berapoi siapa juga jalan kalian bisa dari Mumbai dengan semua head seal bat keperluan ingat bangan beteng akan season 2 bahagia juga season 2 ini isu kita tidak kill bat keperluan ingat wat paling kejing kembali masuk bangan peluang ini program nama dua kumpat pinjam kembali kejing ni hangat nama apa menurut nama bagi dan voting jadi kembali ke masuk pengambil yang bisa mulai lembah macam IMC cuti win mana penting yang part ini season 3 ini season balai ban lembah macam sport aja IMC ni
want to congratulate Valances for how should I say, imagining something like this for bringing the Boy Superstar to reality. I believe that the first season was in 2024 when I joined. He has been requesting me to come to the finale every year. Unfortunately, 2024 and 25 I could not be here. But this time he was not taking no for an answer. Unfortunately, I'll still have to leave shortly. But then I cannot be happier. I cannot be happier because of the fact that at least I have been able to make it for this season, and I hope that the Boy Superstar will gradually go on to become a platform to launch all the budding, talented, creative artists of entire Ripoi. And if we know one thing about Meghalaya is that music runs in the blood of Meghalians, and the creative field is something that we absolutely excel in, and I'm sure that the Boy Superstar is something that is going to provide them an excellent platform for expressing this creative talent. So I wish all the contestants the very best. I wish the organizer, the organizing team, although it is his brainchild, but I'm sure that you have a team behind the entire production. So I wish you all the best, and I hope, as I said, that it will go on to become something much more than what it is now. Thank you.
Yang kenja makin usul nasanyum nakinya kadikopat haloti ben misur sosuje kamayang kakenca bertekadang hanya badai po jingdum kami sangka yongi hakapur basenya kikat ya jing shai bakan wan ya jing rumahkan show nama kisah ya jing duk kami
MegalayaPost.news